You must have heard about the Japanese healing art of Reiki. Reiki is becoming more and more popular all over the world. In fact, in many hospitals in the Western countries, Reiki is being practiced because it heals the body faster, especially after surgery or if there's any health issue. People nowadays prefer natural methods, right? Yoga is becoming more popular, Reiki is becoming more popular, and many such healing arts, right? Because it is natural and the body has the healing ability. So once you activate this healing ability, you can heal yourself. And the best part of Reiki is you can also heal other people. Not only that, people who are interested in spirituality are coming to this, and people who have stress, they also do this practice of Reiki because it releases stress. And there are many benefits of this technique. So I'm going to invite you to a webinar where we are going to discuss all the different techniques and benefits of Reiki, and how you can use it in your daily life. A few minutes of Reiki can help you to balance your mind, to calm your mind, and balance the chakras, the energy of your body, and the aura becomes clean. That has many benefits. Stress can be reduced. So not only the benefits, but how you can apply it immediately in your life, you will learn in this webinar. And also you'll get access to learning this technique completely and helping people in your family, and building your immune system, making it stronger, and helping even people who are in a different city. With Reiki it is possible to heal others at a distance. So that's why it is becoming very popular. And if you see on Google, if you type any city of the world, and just type Reiki, you will find that Reiki is being practiced in that city, and there are people who are followers of this practice. So it's an amazing technique, and I'm going to share a lot in that webinar. So just click on the link below and join the webinar, and I'll see you in the webinar. Okay.